Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing Aloo Masala Pulao. Gently cooked with whole spices, soft potatoes and green peas. A simple yet royal rice dish, perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup basmati rice. Soak for 10 minutes. Basmati rice grains lengthen beautifully when cooked right. Then wash well and keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 2 green cardamom, 5 to 6 peppercorn, 3 to 4 cloves, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 1 inch mace, 1 star anise, and 2 dried red chilies. Let the spices release aroma. Add half cup sliced onion, 2 crushed green chilies. Roast for 1 minute. Add 2 medium raw potatoes cut into pieces. Pulao gets its aroma from whole spices, not spice powders. And 1 bay leaf. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Pour half cup water and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half cup green peas. One chopped tomato, 4 to 5 green chilies. Aloo Masala Pulao is popular across South Asia. And 1/4 cup beaten curd. Cook for 2 minutes. Pour 2 cups water and bring to a boil. Add the washed rice. Do not over soak rice to avoid breaking. And cook uncovered for 4 to 5 minutes until the water almost dries. Now place a pan. Place the pot and dum cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Fluffy gently and serve hot. Dum cooking helps rice absorb flavors evenly. Raise the pulao before serving for perfect texture. Potatoes add potassium and fiber. Green peas offer plant protein. Homemade pulao uses controlled oil and spices. Your Aloo Masala Pulao is fragrant, fluffy, and perfectly cooked. Serve it hot with raita or salad. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more classic rice dishes.